Hello, friends. Do we contribute positivity to the society, or are we spreading negativity? What do we do when we see something nice in a person or in an organization? Do we compliment? Do we meet the head of the organization and appreciate? If we are doing that, then we are positive contributors. More so, if we come across something wrong in a person or something that we dislike which is being done by an organization, what do we do? Do we tell others? If we are telling others, then we are contributing negatively. On the other hand, if we can dare to speak to the person about something that we dislike in him, then again, I can say that we are positive contributors. It is always better to spread goodness, good things to others. And it is a good idea if you come across something wrong, something which is to your dislike, to talk to the person or talk to the person concerned from the organization about the thing that you dislike or you are uncomfortable with, so that the person or the organization can improve. If we are doing this, then we are positive contributors. Otherwise, we may be doing something negative for the society. So think about it and judge for yourself where you stand. In case by mistake you are in the negative side, there's no harm, there's still time, a lot of time. Improve yourself and become a positive contributor. So next time you come across something nice, remember to compliment. And if you come across something wrong or something which you dislike, have the daringness to speak to the person, speak to your friend, speak to your father, speak to your mother. It may be anyone you're talking to. And then you will see that you will be creating, we all will be creating a beautiful world to live in. Thank you.